For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the JVC KD-TD72BT. It's a 7-inch CD receiver with Bluetooth connectivity that I thought would be just another run-of-the-mill car stereo. However, my initial impression was way off the mark, and I'm excited to share with you why this receiver is more than just a basic upgrade. What do you get when you buy the JVC KD-TD72BT? Well, let's dive in and find out. This receiver boasts a 7-inch touchscreen display that's not only visually appealing, but also offers an intuitive interface for navigating through its various features. One of the standout features of this receiver is its ability to connect your smartphone wirelessly via Bluetooth. But what really caught my attention was the inclusion of JVC's proprietary Clear Concierge technology, which provides a seamless and distraction-free driving experience by allowing you to access Siri eyes-free or Google Assistant functions from the touchscreen. However, I have to admit that I was initially underwhelmed by the receiver's lack of Apple CarPlay compatibility. But as it turns out, this omission is more than made up for by its ability to seamlessly integrate with Android devices. Therefore, if you're an iPhone user looking for a CD receiver with advanced smartphone connectivity, you may want to keep looking. But don't let that deter you just yet. The JVC KD-TD72BT has some impressive specs under the hood, literally. With 50 watts of RMS power and a frequency response of 5 Hz to 30 kHz, this receiver can handle even the most demanding audio sources with ease. But what about its actual performance? Let's take a closer look. One thing that really impressed me was the receiver's sound quality. I mean, it's not just about throwing more power at your music, it's about how well the receiver can reproduce the nuances of your favorite songs. And in this regard, the JVC KD-TD72BT truly shines. With its advanced EQ settings and a plethora of audio options, you'll be able to fine-tune your sound to perfection. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it easy to install? The answer is yes. JVC has made the installation process as painless as possible with its intuitive interface and clear instructions. But don't just take my word for it, let's hear from some of the other owners who have installed this receiver in their vehicles. But what about the downsides? After all, no product is perfect. Well, I did encounter a few minor issues during my testing period. For one thing, the menu system can be a bit clunky at times, and some users may find it difficult to navigate. However, these are relatively minor complaints in an otherwise excellent receiver. So what's the verdict? Is the JVC KD-TD72BT worth your hard-earned cash? After putting this receiver through its paces, I'd say that it's definitely a solid choice for anyone looking for a high-quality CD receiver with advanced smartphone connectivity. But don't just take my word for it, read on to find out more. But before we dive any further, let me answer some of the most common questions about this product. Firstly, is it compatible with Android devices? Yes. The JVC KD-TD72BT seamlessly integrates with Android smartphones, allowing you to access all your favorite apps and features from the touchscreen. Secondly, what kind of audio settings are available on this receiver? With 13-band EQ, time alignment, and a built-in crossover network, you'll have all the tools you need to fine-tune your sound to perfection. So what do I think about the JVC KD-TD72BT in conclusion? While it may not be perfect, its impressive specs, seamless smartphone connectivity, and high-quality sound make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a top-notch car stereo. For the best price, click the link in the description.